Have a wonderful day, students. Today, I will give you detailed information about passive voice. In previous video, I have given you idea about passive voice. It was all together in different shape. Okay, now we are studying in very detail. Okay, today I will provide you the declarative sentences for the passive voice. Declarative sentences. Okay. Now here we are having a special structure for the declarative sentences. For the different, for active voice we are having subject plus verb plus object. Okay. Similarly, in passive voice, object plus to be plus with be plus by plus subject. Okay, dear friends, already I have introduced you how to find out the subject and object from the sentence. When you are asking the question with what to the verb, you are getting object, and when you are asking question with who, you are getting subject. Okay, that I have already introduced you in the previous video. So today we are going to study about declarative sentences in all three tenses different way. Okay, so I will take one example and we motivate it into the three of the different sentences. Here Sonal writes a letter. Okay, dear friends, see, Sonal writes a letter. Who writes? Sonal. What writes? A letter. So a letter becomes a letter is written by Sonal. The same sentence we are having, this is in present tense. Okay, simple. Now past simple. Okay, when you are writing the same sentences into the past tense, we will have to write this way: Sonal wrote a letter. So here we are writing in the same way, a letter. Okay, now here form of to be. Whether the present tense is there, simple present tense is there, you will have to use is, am, are as a form of to be, what I have given you in the previous video. Okay, but here in past tense we have to use the past form of to be. There was and were. If suppose here the letters are there, so we have to use here were, W-E-R-E, but it is a one letter, so we are using was as a form of to be. A letter was written. V3 is compulsory, we have to use. Letter was written by Sonal. Can you understand, dear friends? Here in simple tenses the structure is same. Okay, now simple future. Simple future. Okay, so here in simple future tense, Sonal will write a later. Okay, in future tense we are having form of to be, that is will auxiliary verb is here, so we have to take be as a form of to be. Okay, a letter will be written by sooner. Can you understand this? So in this way we have a structure of object plus form of to be plus V3 plus subject. In this all simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Can you understand these declarative sentences? I will give you some more examples about all these sentences. Now today I also introduce you about the continuous tense. Okay. Now in continuous tense, continuous present, continuous past and continuous future. In future we are not having continuous tense. Okay, I will explain you continuous tense later. Before I will explain you the perfect tense. So it will be very helpful to easily understand. Now today in perfect tense we are using the have, has or had as an auxiliary verb. So we have to put been after that. Here in perfect tense what we are having in active voice: subject, verb, subject, have, has, had, will have, okay, plus object. In passive voice, object plus have, has, had, will have, plus being, plus with plus subject. Dear friends, you are having one benefit, that is V3 is available in the perfect tenses. So you should not convert the main one into the V3 or past participle form. Okay, now we are having example. This is for present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Sooner, has, later. So dear friends, as per in other sentences we are doing the object place turn into the subject place. So a later, if letters are there we have to put have here, but later is there. This is for present perfect tense. Have and has are distinguished. Okay, a later has been written by sooner. Letter has been written by sooner. Okay, now past perfect. There already you are having had and with both. Okay, so you have to convert the only subject and object places. Okay, sooner, had, written, a letter. Okay, so a letter had been written by sooner. Can you understand, dear friends? This is the way you can write. Is this thing in that? Okay.
So a letter had been written by Sonal. Now this way, dear students, okay, we have to use been as a form of to be. Sonal has written a letter. A letter has been written by Sonal. Sonal had written a letter. A letter had been written by Sonal. This is present perfect tense and this is past perfect tense, declarative sentence. Now dear friends, I will show you the future perfect tense. In that case also you will have to use will plus have plus will. Okay. Future perfect. In future perfect tense, dear students, you will have to use subject plus have plus Sonal will have written a letter. Sonal will have written a letter. So here you will have to write in this way: a letter will have been written by Sonal. Dear friends, you see, have is used because now here in future tense we are having the auxiliary verb will. So we put a main verb always after the have. Will after the will. Okay, so we have to put here whoever the subject is, we have to put have as a perfect future tense. So Sonal will have written a letter. A letter will have been written by Sonal. This is the way I have introduced you about the declarative sentence of the present simple tenses and perfect tenses. Now dear students, I will also introduce about the continuous tenses. Continuous tenses, there are only two continuous tenses can be changed in the passive. Otherwise, others are not changed in the. So continuous future tense is not changed in the passive voice. So we are not introducing here. So in continuous tense, we are having subject plus verb, subject plus to be plus V1 plus ing form plus object. In passive, we are using that in this way: object plus to be. So to be is already there. So we are using being as a continuous tense presentation, and with we and by plus subject. Okay. Have I put the by every time? Have you seen by? By was there? Yes. Now here present continuous. In present continuous, Sonal is writing a letter. So letter is being written by Sonal. Letter is being written by Sonal. Is it? So is it already here? So we have to put the being as a helping word, form of to be verb, and we have to put ing form turning to the V3 form. In the past continuous, also the same process. Sonal was writing a letter. So a letter was being written by Sonal. Dear friends, in this way we can do the participles into the different declarative sentence. Okay, now